Welcome. If your CCTV cameras aren't giving clear night footage, this quick step-by-step guide will walk you through the most common problems and practical fixes so you can restore reliable night vision fast. Step 1. Inspect and clean infrared LEDs. Start close. Check the camera's infrared IR LEDs and lens for dust, spiderwebs, fingerprints, or condensation. Even a thin film of dirt or moisture on the glass will severely reduce eye output and blur night images. Power the camera off. Gently wipe the lens and eye window with a microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol if needed, and dry any trapped moisture inside the housing. Step 2. Check for physical obstructions and damage. Look for anything blocking the IR beam, leaves, cables, poorly installed sunshields, or cracked housings. Replace or reposition obstructing items and repair damaged housings that allow moisture in. Small fixes here often yield the biggest improvement. Step 3. Avoid reflective surfaces and glare. Assess camera placement. Don't point IR cameras directly at windows, shiny metal, or wet surfaces that reflect IR and produce glare or whiteout. If reflections are present, reposition the camera, change the angle slightly, or install anti-glare shields. Step 4. Verify night mode and IR settings. Open the camera menu and confirm night vision mode is enabled. Check that IR is set to auto or manual on as appropriate and that any IR cut filter ICAR is functioning. Some cameras let you set IR intensity, increase it gradually while watching for bloom or overexposure. Step 5. Confirm IR distance and camera spec. Make sure the camera's IR range matches your environment. A camera rated for 20 meters won't perform well at 50 meters. If you need longer range, consider spotlights, external IR illuminators, or a camera with higher IR power. Step 6. Adjust exposure, gain, and WDR. Tweak low light settings. Lower shutter speed to gather more light at the cost of motion blur. Increase gain only as needed. Watch for noise, and enable WDR if you have mixed light sources. Many issues are solved by balancing shutter, gain, and exposure rather than maxing any single setting. Step 7. Consider low light starlight sensors and AI enhancements. If your location is consistently dim, upgrade to starlight or low light cameras that perform far better without IR, or cameras with AI noise reduction and low light enhancement. These sensors give color-richer images in near-dark conditions. Step 8. Firmware, night mode scheduling, and power. Keep firmware up to date. Manufacturers often improve night processing. Check night mode schedules and make sure PO or power sources are stable. Low voltage can reduce eye output and image quality. Step 9. Test, tune, and document. Test the camera at night after each change. Walk the scene to check detection and playback. Note settings that work and take reference clips. Tune sensitivity and eye levels to avoid overexposure or false alarms. Troubleshooting tips. Quick if problems persist. Swap the camera with a known good unit to isolate hardware faults. Test with different lenses or temporarily add an external eye illuminator to confirm the issue is eye power versus sensor failure. That's it, a practical checklist to fix night vision issues and get clear, usable footage after dark. Want this as on-screen captions, a printable checklist, or a short drill-down video for each step? I can make any of those next.